Hi, Deborah Caswell here, and welcome to the 6K in 90 Days program. We're so excited you're here. What we've done is we put together a set of very simple step-by-step instructions that you can do consistently on a daily basis to get yourself to $6,000 in monthly residual income in the next 90 days. So what we're doing is we're just keeping it very, very simple. There are no joining fees, no website fees, no fees of any kind. We don't believe in fees. So come on in and join us. Let me walk you through the program. Okay, so what we've done is we've taken two companies, 124 and Day One. 124 has been in existence for 2 years. Day One is currently in pre-launch. So we've taken these two companies and we've combined them. They're both Mark Seaforth companies. He has been writing compensation plans for the last 38 years. And as a matter of fact, 124 and Day One were both written for the average person to see success, for the average person to actually get paid. He was very frustrated watching all of the other compensation plans that were being put together out there and watching how they were being written for the owner to really take a lot of that money and for the average person not to succeed. So what you've got in these companies are the absolute simplest compensation plans you're ever going to see. There's no fine print, there's nothing behind the curtain. It's very, very simple. So what we've done with both of these companies is we've boiled them down to their absolute simplest form to show you how you can simply follow these steps, that if you follow it consistently, you will get to that $6,000 monthly residual income. So with 124 and Day One, what's interesting about it is we have two companies, but one can build the other. 124 builds Day One builds 124, and we're going to show you how that works as you walk through the steps. Greg Musantri is going to talk to you about Day One, and he's going to talk to you about best strategy for building Day One. We're building them together, remember. So I'm going to spend a little bit of time talking about 124. 124, what it stands for is you get 24 green tickets. A green ticket is used to simply enroll somebody, and you get one per month. So if you enroll one person per month over the course of the next 24 months, you will have a retirement income. And that's a true statement. But what we found is that people are very impatient. So that's a very slow build. We're going to show you how to quickly get to this 12. And all it is getting this program, not the one company or the other, but this program, the 6K in 90 days, you're getting that in front of people by following the steps that we're showing you in this program. So it's very simple. And on the 124 side, once you get 12, you're going to quickly get to, and everybody's doing the same thing, right? So once you get 12, your 12 each just find 2 who each find just 1, you're actually going to max out the platinum bonus, which is one of our income centers. And along the way in 124, interestingly enough, you're going to max out all of the other income centers. There are 9 total on the 124 side. You're going to max every one of them out just by following these instructions. So we don't want you to try to learn the compensation plan, try to learn all of the different ways that you get paid. One of the 9 is retail. We really don't focus on that. But those 8 other income centers, you're going to get to them by following our simple program. You're not saying, come check out my 124 business and my Day One business. You see what I'm saying? We've really boiled it down into a very simple format that everybody can follow. So why 2 companies? Why market both of them? Day One's in pre-launch. It's going to get really exciting here soon. It's charity based. So that means you can decide, you can give 0 to 100% of your income from Day One to a nonprofit organization, a charity, your church, and Day One will match what you're giving up to 10%. So let's say you make $1,000, $100 from you is going to your charity, and another $100 from Day One is going to your charity. Every single month they're going to get $200, and that number is just going to go up and up and up and up over time. So we have some celebrities who are looking at this and saying, oh, okay, so I just have to send one tweet out to all of my followers, and they're going to want to come see how my charity can get supported. So that's really exciting. In fact, if you listen to the conference call, our national conference call, they're all recorded. If you listen to the one from it would have been Monday the 20th. If you listen to that one, you'll hear some names that that are going to be familiar to you. Again, Day One is going to get really exciting here really fast, but 124, I'm not walking away from that company. Let me tell you why. Here's what we get. Every month we get a box, we get a little brochure talking about our products, and we get the products. And look at this one. This is our flagship product, Nature Burst. It's a superfood blend. It's a powder. We put it into a smoothie. We have it for breakfast. It's our breakfast. And we get 6 servings of fruits and vegetables into our system each morning before we go anywhere. This includes my 18-month-old and my 3.5-year-old. They love this. They beg for this. So they're getting their fruits and vegetables. And this isn't just your average canned carrots and peas. This is the good stuff. This is the stuff that we all need to be putting into our system on a daily basis. There's no fillers in this. There's absolutely nothing that is controversial. There's no MSG. There's no gluten. There's no sugar. There's none of that. And actually it tastes great. Like I said, my kids beg for it. Now listen, you use your green ticket, you have somebody come to this program, they get started in 124, you use your green ticket, and guess what? We have a new bonus that you're not going to see when you go to enroll in 124. You're not going to see this because it's brand new, but we have a use your green, have your dream bonus. And what that means is you use your green ticket, you're going to get a bonus for that. And again, we don't have joining fees. We don't ask people to pay upfront fees. You know, Mark Seaforth says if you're looking at a company that has enrollment fees, especially anything, you know, we don't have any, but anything over $100, don't do it. There's no point in that. All they're doing is front loading, and they're paying, you know, they're paying that extra money that you're having to pay just to join, and they're paying that in bonuses to people. It doesn't make any sense. Don't do that. Don't go there. We don't do that. So anyway, use your green, have your dream. You're going to get a bonus just for doing what we're supposed to do, which is telling people about this company. So we're really excited about that. And if you follow this, when you follow this program 3 months in a row, you're going to do that 3 months in a row. And guess what? You're going to get a consistency bonus. Now, let me tell you this, that consistency bonus with your 3 green bonuses it is going to more than pay for the 3 months that you're going to pay for your product. And this is groceries. You're just replacing groceries. Again, you're going to have your 3 months, your 90-day program on the 124 side is going to be more than paid for when you follow the simple plan. That's exciting. So the other thing is we've got this product, it's called Natralean, and this is really important. I wanted to mention along with, this is a weight loss, it's actually an inch loss product, and a couple of capsules that you take throughout the day. The fun part about this, and we have got people with phenomenal stories that are really dropping the inches like crazy with this. It again tastes wonderful. We actually use this with our smoothies for my husband and I because we like the taste and well, because we like to have the extra protein that's in this. But this is very exciting. But right now, this is on special through August and through September 30th. You can get this system for your first month when you enroll is $109, and your auto ship every month thereafter is $99. Now, hopefully we'll get to keep that pricing. It is special pricing right now. Normally the system is about $160, I want to say. So that's really exciting. So get your Natralean if you have inches to lose, or if you know anybody who has inches to lose. And then we also have Nature Boost, which comes in a 2-pack. You put drops into your water, any beverage, and it supercharges it. So it's got 60 ionic trace minerals, very important for your system. And we love this just from the mental clarity alone that we get. So besides the products, you know, the other exciting part about 124 is just the people who are involved. So we have Michael Torsha. So he is the fitness guru to the stars, and he is a 124 preferred customer, which is what I am, and he uses and loves the product, and he promotes the products. So he is huge into fitness and in kids fitness, which is really important to me. I'm going to go back to this product. My dream, my goal is to have this in every child before they get to school. Have them drink their smoothie before they go to school. They have their fruits and vegetables in their system. They have their protein in their system. Stop the sugar cereals, stop the donuts, stop all the garbage that we're feeding to our kids. We have an obesity crisis, right? It's because of what we're feeding our kids. And I want to get this into all the kids before they go to school. I want them to be able to focus. I want them to have the energy that they need. This is good stuff, and that's my dream. So that's why I choose, and many of us in 124 and day one, that's why we choose to build both at the same time. Both companies are very important. You've got your charity side and you've got your nutrition side, and very important to us. So the people involved, so yeah, right, Michael Torsha, so he's involved. We've got race car drivers like Chapman Ducote and Connor DeFilippi, who who enjoy the Nature Boost for the mental clarity that it gives them. And they promote the products and they're building a business too. So we've got, and I could go on and on and on. John Fox from ESPN, who had a program on ESPN for 20 some odd years, maybe 30 years. And he loves the product. So the other thing I want to talk about is this industry. You know that 80% of all women who make over $100,000 a year, guess where they're coming from? They're coming from this industry profession. They're coming from network marketing. So this works. This really does work. And you've got 2 companies here that work better than any other company out there. We're so very excited about that. So all we're doing here is we're paying it forward. We're finding people using the method that you see in this program who will use these wonderful products and bring people to our program, which is this game plan. That's it. That's the simplicity of it. So the last thing I wanted to mention is if you've come here and you go through the program and you've decided it's not something that you're going to be interested in, what I would really love for you to do is the person who brought you here, they brought this to you out of the goodness of their heart, knowing that they've found something that is working. We've got people succeeding in. So they were thinking of you. I think that's wonderful. It would be fantastic if you could do one of 2 things. If you could please forward the email that they sent to you to 5 or more of your friends, because you never know who you might be able to bless with this program. The other thing is that you could do is go ahead and go visit their websites. They're listed in the email. Order a product from them retail. Try these wonderful products I was telling you about. That's a really great way to pay it forward. Okay, so on to Greg's video, learn a little bit about day 1, and then move through the program. We're so excited to see how many people we can get going through this program at the $6,000 monthly residual income in 90 days. And you know what? Just imagine this. If you can get to $6,000 a month in 90 days, imagine where you can be a year from now. I'm so excited. Can't wait to meet you. Last thing, we do have tons of leaders involved in this program itself. So we've got plenty of help, plenty of people ready to assist you, and we're just really excited to work with you. Can't wait to see you at the top.